Like many of you, I grew up on Cartoon Network, and Hanna-Barbera was a big part of that, and I loved Two Stupid Dogs. Sadly, there's only been one volume released of Two Stupid Dogs and the Secret Squirrel Show. Where's the rest of this, Hanna-Barbera? We need the complete series of Two Stupid Dogs.